How to be a Geometry Dash Pro. I'm going to tell you how to be a Geometry Dash Pro in 2025. First off, forget luck. This game is all about rhythm, muscle memory, and insane patience. Start by mastering the easier official levels like Stereo Madness and work your way up. Don't just spam tap. Learn the music because every beat usually lines up with a jump. Turn off notifications, play with headphones, and get used to dying a lot, like hundreds of times. Use practice mode to set checkpoints so you can grind specific sections without starting from scratch every time. When you mess up, don't rage quit. Watch your replays and understand why. Once you've got the basics, try custom levels. Some are brutal, but perfect for training. And when your eyes hurt, stop. Pros know when to rest so they don't burn out. Oh, and the final trick, stay cool under pressure. It's a mind game just as much as it's a tap game.